Hi, Sarah here, and apologise if I sound a bit funny. I'm actually feeling like absolute rubbish today, and I had other plans for other videos. I had a few ideas in my head what video I was going to put up this week, but it's all boiled down to gooey chocolatey stuff because I feel like rubbish and I can't be bothered making anything else. I did the dishes, so I've achieved. Anyway, I am childless today. It's Aston's day at preschool, so I am going to make single serve brownie in a mug. It is gooey and it is yummy and I want it, and that's why I'm making it. The kids don't know about this. They're going to kill me when they see what I've filmed this week. Right, so first thing you'll need is a mug. Bonus points if it's a chicken mug. Now, I'll just point out first as well, this costs 50 cents to make. So, you know, as far as yummy, gooey, chocolatey treat goes, it costs less than buying a chocolate bar. So, we need a quarter of a cup of sugar. I never said this was healthy. This is not healthy. This is like one of those emergency recipes. Help, emergency, I need chocolate. You know, it's that sort of a day. A quarter of a cup of self-raising flour. About between 2 and 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to go for 2.5. And a half-ish. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Use the same spoon. 1. Just a few drops of vanilla essence. This stuff doesn't have a droppy thing with it, so I'm just gonna little splash. There we go, splash. And a quarter of a cup of water. Right. Now, just gonna give that a good mix. I'm gonna give it a good. Oh, look at all that gooey chocolatey. You could just drink this as it is. Yeah. I'm going to give it a good mix up so that there's no little lumps. I could have sifted the ingredients and then there wouldn't be as many lumps, but that involves incorporating another bowl and that means more washing up. So this way my arm gets a bit of a workout, so I've earned it. That works out right. There we go, lovely, gooey, chocolatey. I'm just going to scrape that off with my finger because that's just how I roll. Making for this for other people, I probably wouldn't use my finger. Lick your finger. Now, you want to put that in the microwave for a minute. It'll depend on your microwave as to whether or not that will be cooked after a minute. So, I recommend putting it on for a minute. 1 minute in my microwave and it comes out just slightly nice and gooey, so I'll put that in, keep you posted, and while that's in there, lick the spoon. Yeah, now it's clean to use again. Now, look at that. Thing of beauty. Now, it smells like that. Now, you can just dive straight in if you want. Show you what I like to do though. Scoop it out. It's not pretty. I never said it was pretty. But oh my goodness. Oh, it's all gooey on the bottom. Oh, look at that. And if I mentioned my homemade Greek yogurt quite a bit, but I do love it. Scoop of that. Look at my Greek yogurt recipe, by the way, it's awesome. Now, tell me, is that the cure for everything or what? Seriously, it is so gooey, it is chocolatey, it is yummy, and I'm going to eat all of it. That is so good. I won't eat all of it on camera because it's not a pretty sight. I highly recommend this. Seriously, do it. Please, as always, like, leave me a comment, subscribe. Probably got chocolate off my teeth now, but I don't care.
Look at that. Oh, come to me, my pretty.